In this video, I want to show you how to set up the important tabs on your page.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Now, tabs are something we're used to seeing come across your page, but in this case, the tabs are what you see on the left side. There's almost like a menu. And you see here, I have way too many things on the menu. In fact, I just added the shop button here. And what I'll show you is how to add and get rid of things here. So what you would do is you would go to your settings, and in the settings, you would go to templates and tabs. And by the way, you can edit a lot of things. You just look through everything. I'm not going to cover every single item here because it will just take too long and it will be boring for you. And a lot of them have less importance, but the tabs are important because they are very publicly visible. And what you want to do is you have some default types of business tabs. Right now we have like a business default, but you can have like movies, shopping, for different kinds of purposes. In our case, what we did is I added this shop. You see, like if I go to offer shop, you might remember that was the order of the items, the tabs that I had on my page. And so you want to add and remove the ones that are appropriate for you. Like if you wanted to add a tab, you can say, let's say notes. I'm going to add a tab, notes. And let's say the jobs I want to remove. Yeah. So I'm going to click settings on the jobs, and I'm going to say don't show that, and I'm going to say save. So now that we did that, let's go back to our page. You see we added notes here, notes, and there's no more jobs. So what I'd recommend is that you get rid of most of these and only keeps the ones that are relevant, because when there are so many of these, users have a hard time understanding what they really need. And then of course, let's say you have a shop. In this case, I just added the shop for this example, but in your case, you'd fill out all the shop properties and items and options so that it looks like a great shop with the right products for you. And then when you promote things, see, things fall into place, because let's say you get a user to come to your page from your ads. Well, they can have many options. They can buy things. They can go to your Instagram, your Twitter. They can go to your website. So there's a lot of things for a user to do. They can get very familiar with your brand. They can browse a lot of things. They can do a lot of things. So now every penny you spend with your ads has a bigger potential of outcome, because now you're adding all the right details throughout your page and you're creating a stronger sales experience and a branding experience. So now you know how to set up the tabs on your page.